get ready with me to go get married. So it's Valentine's Day and I'm getting married. So let's get this thing together, this face together, this beat together, and go get married. So I want to do something simple, very doe eye effect. So I'm gonna try to attempt this one right here. Very simple face. We don't have that much time, and I actually need to go wake up my husband. So what y'all Valentine's Day looking like? Cause your girl looking like she a whole bride in here. Now, I do this step for lasting makeup, but the normal steps that I normally do for makeup is what I would do on my brides to let them be long and everlasting for their special day. And then if they need a touch up during the day, we do that too. Gotta make sure the photos is right by concealing correctly. I know I look crazy. I like to correct with a concealer because I feel like it just blends better into the skin, especially a concealer that has a more warm undertone and is close to my skin tone. You see what I mean? Going in with my Haus Lab foundation. I love this foundation brush, y'all. It may be pricey. The thing blends like a dream. Like, look at that. Come on now, you can't tell me like where to go. That part. Like, Haus Labs never fails me. And because I am getting married, I'm not gonna put this on like I normally do for my brides. I usually take some concealer, put it on my little metal pad, and take a blending brush, like a blending eye brush, and blend that under my eyes to get like a smooth finished base. So I put some on a blending brush and I'm just gonna go up under my eyes but blend it down. That way it's already blended, even though it might be sitting there. But this is a very full coverage concealer, so it's not gonna go anywhere. But you see what I mean? How that blended out. Tips and tricks. Just juicy. Gonna go in with my Juvia's Place and that NYX stick because I really liked it last time. Also gonna use my e.l.f. Halo Glow. You do not need this much. This NYX jumbo pencil, face pencil, everything. Look at that. Shine bright like a diamond. And before you set them under eyes, make sure ain't no creasing going on, because I am 40 and there's gonna be some wrinkles. But I'm going in with my pressed foundation powder from Makeup Forever. Going in with my Bio Blender by Eco Tools and just making sure everything is well blended. You want to be very blended and nice for this day. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. I'm gonna do the rest of the foundation portions with the pressed powder. And then go on with my Laura Mercier for the rest of my face. And then also up under my eyes, I'm gonna go in with my OneSize Ultra Pink and Translucent and mix them together to make like a peachy nude type of color and set my highlighted areas. Ooh, girl. Yes. Gonna do my eyebrows off the camera because they take too long. So my stomach just tried to play me. So now we're not gonna get there at the time we wanted to get there, but I'm just going in with my bronzer because like I said, we're doing minimal makeup or minimal eye. It's like a wash like that. And I'm trying to see if I want to use Space Cowboy. There's two other ones I'm trying to see if I want to use, but it's kind of it for the eye, except for going under my eye. Let's do that. Yeah, that works. So I'm trying to choose between Solstice, Lithium, or Space Cowboy. I think I want to do Lithium or Solstice. Normally I take these on my finger, but let's see what it does with this brush right quick. No, Lithium ain't giving what it's supposed to give. So I think I'm going to go in with Space Cowboy. And I'm going to go in with my finger. Yes. All the feels of yes. Yes. I feel like I need a little bit more of my bronzer. Wherever did I put it? That's how you do it. That's how you do it. I'm gonna go in with the brown liner. This is the Wet n Wild liner. Gonna go on my lash line, my waterline with Love Bite. Feel like I need to go a little bit darker under my eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Dose of Colors Big Browns palette and choose the color Cherry Wood. I feel like it needs to be slightly darker. Not too much though, like that. Okay, let's wipe this off. Put on some bronzer. Starting to get a little light outside. A little blushy blush. I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna use these two by Juvia's Place. And just mix them. spray the skin before it completely dries. Let's go in with our highlight. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter and Mo Honey and Afternoon Snack. I'm gonna mix the two. Using my Milk Makeup Kush mascara, I'm gonna go in with some mascara on the top and bottom lashes. And I'm gonna go in with my House of Lashes Iconics. Actually, I lied. I'm gonna go in with the Lily Lashes. Ooh, the Lily Lashes in Sephora. I mean, Lily Lashes, Sephora, and Alamana. And do my, what's the names? Then do my lashes. I'll come back on here for the final look because I'm like, we got to go. Here is the final look. I just pulled my hair back into a bun. Got on this like nice little lavender dress. And so it's already there. It's official. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you all think. Like I said, do the trick. If you're getting married, do the trick with the concealer where you just brush it on with the blending brush instead of dotting it on. And it'll come out smooth and flawless like this. All right. With that being said, it's your girl Letty, and I'm out. Peace.